You can check out here's a spacious living and the dining area. So with a platform, a window for ventilation, this site is the master bedroom and you can check out the space. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Spring in the Air, which is located in Miapur, Amimpur, Hyderabad, and this project is developed by Urban Rise. And today we are here to check out the 2 BHK actual flat. But before moving further, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me inform you that the marketing office of this project is located just in the project itself in Tower A. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project. So basically here's the main entrance. And once you enter, here's a grand clubhouse. And here are the 3 towers. So currently we are standing in Tower A. Now about the project overview, and this project is spread across 5.66 acres of land parcel with 3 towers in all, with each tower of with stilt ground plus 12 floors having studio 1, 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. And let me inform you one more thing, that if you are the one who is looking for ready to move in property, then this project suits you perfectly. As you can check out in the background, here's the ready to move in towers. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project provides you 35 plus luxurious amenities like of grand clubhouse with grand bazaar, multi-purpose court, kids play area, indoor and outdoor game area, swimming pool and many more. Now about the location part of this project is located in Miapur, Amimpur, Hyderabad. Let me show you the location. So basically you can connect to Miapur Road in just few meters from the project. Now you can even connect to D-Mart in 5 minutes. Mamta Hospital is 5 minutes from the project, and even Miapur Metro Station is 10 minutes away from the location of the project. So this is your 918 square feet super built up area of 2 BHK actual flat. And this is the main entrance. So once you enter, you can check out here's a spacious living and the dining area. So here you can set your sofa set as a part of your living area. They have provided a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And over this side, you can utilize the space as a dining area, and which give you easy access to the kitchen area as well. So just on my left hand side is the kitchen area, with a platform, a window for ventilation, and over this side you can set your refrigerator. Now let's move further towards your bedroom number 1. This way is your bedroom number 1. You can check out the space, which has a connecting balcony as well, and this is the plus point. So the balcony has iron railing with 2-side open view and anti-skid flooring. And you can check out the space over here. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that, let me inform you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with some sample and actual flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these features on the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. Now about the master bedroom. And the master bedroom is just beside this bedroom, but before that, here's your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. This site is the master bedroom, and you can check out the space. This is much more spacious than your bedroom number 1. Here there is a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Here exactly right this side you can set your bed in front of the TV unit. Now this side is your washroom, the attached washroom. with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now, as you all know, we are here in Miapur location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do further subscribe. Howsy?
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.